Today we are going to rob a bank. Be very careful so the police don't arrest us. Are you ready? Let's go. Hurry up, hurry up. We don't have much time. The police are coming now. Go, go, go.
They robbed the bank. We need to arrest them as soon as possible. We just went to arrest them. We saw the thieves.
Oh no, cops, run away faster.
The police are talking to you. Stop. Stop, stop. The thieves were successfully arrested.
I really apologize. I'm calling the ambulance now.
I am coming to you for help and treatment. I'll help you now and take you to the hospital to make sure you're safe.
A major fire has been reported at the restaurant. We are moving as quickly as possible to put out the fire. The fire was successfully extinguished.
We'll send an emergency helicopter there to make sure.